Alright guys, good morning. We are in the weebiest place in the world right now. We are in Akihabara. I am surrounded by anime waifus. As you can see, all the waifus here. This is what is the series called?
Fate. What's next one? Look.
Oh, and then there we go. Here's I'm blindsided. Here we go. Oh,
that's what's up right there.
And then we got One Piece.
Some Ben Presto.
Here we got the Naruto. More One Piece. More Naruto. Pretty cool. Oh, look, and then back to the look. We got lollies and yeah. All right.
Every store has something for someone.
And Miku, of course. Alright, heading upstairs. I think this says if you steal, you get arrested. Makes sense. Ooh. 2B. Oh, they got some Final Fantasy stuff here. Look, check it out. Who's that guy? Is that Bahamut? Looks like Bahamut and Odin. That's red. Okay, so me and Linda are waiting for our pal Markman.
We're gonna see him right now, but I don't know where he is.
I'm not sure where he is though. He'll be here soon. You think I get in trouble if I give her a high five and record her?
No.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, there you are. Nice to see you.
This is have you been having fun with this thing?
Yeah.
Sick.
He just got it, so.
Yeah, just started recording himself.
Oh my God.
Yep, he's gonna be showing us all the cool stuff.
In this area, I can definitely do that because I always stay here.
Is your thing?
Oh, there you
I
go.
always stay here.
He's always here. It's like his second home.
This is definitely my second home.
We have our entire party here. Party has reunited, and now we're gonna go replenish some of our HP and MP at the ramen shop. But apparently it's Mark's favorite ramen spot.
My favorite ramen chain in Japan.
Oh, ramen chain. What is it?
It's Jangara ramen. It's from Kyushu. So it's really fatty tonkatsu ramen.
That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Fatty tonkatsu ramen. I am so down with that.
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? What are we doing?
Vlogception?
Should I act like a tour guide or no?
Oh.
Sure, let's do it, yeah.
Alright, so this is obviously the true door side of Akihabara, a very famous crossing area. Probably Geek Central for, or Geek Haven for most people that are hoping to at least make the pilgrimage to Tokyo one day. This place is filled with, of course, as you would imagine, anime, manga, video games, toys, everything you could think of under the sun. It is a great place to go, your first time in Japan, but it is not the best place to find good stuff. This place has been...
What do you mean you can't... What do you mean?
This place is dry now.
Oh, I see.
You can't find the good deals. You can't find the crazy deals.
Everyone comes here, I'm assuming.
Correct.
This is the first place, like, any otaku or person who's into this kind of stuff.
Correct.
Right? Yeah.
So as such, because this is such a tourist trap, you know, prices here for certain things are usually a little bit higher. I mean, you could always use the internet as kind of a gauge of how much you should pay for things, but if you really want to find amazing deals, you always got to go out in the countryside.
I see. That makes sense. I noticed, like, on our train ride here, there were a lot of gaijin. So, yeah.
This weekend, I ran into so many foreigners.
Yeah, there's a lot of foreigners, and I also noticed anywhere outside of Akihabara that we were going to, like, anything that has anime on it, there wasn't that much English, but here there's a lot of English everywhere. Like, yeah, because they know that the foreigners would come here.
Yeah, because of the change too with the Olympics coming in 2020, there's been government-wide kind of mandate to include more English in a lot of the marketing, and it's kind of helped the travel overall. So we're gonna go this way.
Okay, cool.
Actually, I'll take you this way.
Everything looks about the same.
It hasn't changed.
But Yeah. So
Actually, I was looking over the first time I went here over 10 years ago. I was looking at the pictures compared to now. Is way different. It changes like very slowly over time.
Oh, I see. Okay. But you come here like maybe 10 times a year?
This is my 11th trip this year.
Oh, I was wrong. I was wrong.
No, last year was 14, which is great.
Oh wow. Okay. So Mark man comes here over about 10-ish times, at least once a month. There you go. Okay.
Alright, we're gonna make a right.
Alright, we're gonna take a right.
So this is another famous back alleyway in Akihabara. A lot of notable stores like the Kodokiya flagship store, Super Potato, which is like a retro gaming store. And then they have the Akiba zone, which is like 6 floors. I mean, you notice there's like a lot of places here where they have multiple floors just filled with all kinds of geeky stuff that you can go crazy over.
Yep. Oh, this right here?
That's on the corner. This is a ramen place. This is not the place we're going to though.
Okay, so this is not the place.
The place we're going to is smaller and more hole in the wall.
Oh, nice. I feel like hole in the wall spots are always the best.
I think they're only hole in the wall because there's not enough room in Tokyo.
Oh. Is it new or have you been going?
No, it's definitely not new. I've been going here. Okay, so the first time I went here was probably in 2000, or to this ramen place was in 2009.
Okay.
And it was after Daigo told me that it was his favorite ramen place.
Ah, Daigo.
So I wanted to try the recommendation, and it was really good.
Cool. Oh, here it is, Koto Bikuya. This is the flagship store.
Yeah, it's the big store over here.
Nice. So I haven't been to this store actually.
Oh, it's cool. You should check it out. Yeah. So this is the hotel I usually stay in, right in the middle of all the shit.
Oh, this is a wow.
No, I usually stay here.
Okay. Just walking right next to cars because, you know, safety.
Yeah. All right, so the ramen place is just like right over here.
Ramen place is which way?
Right over here.
Oh, okay, cool.
And there's a little line.
There's a little. Oh, this is it right here. Sick. I'm so hungry. All right, we got some beef bowl, but no, we're going here. So
I talk too much.
So a man who comes here at least once a month says this is his favorite ramen chain. So.
So here's the ramen.
Alright, so
but you can't anymore. You can.
You can, and I'll just bleep it out. So we just finished ramen. It's pretty good. Thanks, Mark, for introducing me to that place.
No problem.
The broth was really heavy. But yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Now we're Linda and Travis left early to go to Kodo, but we're heading there right now. Look at this. It is a Deadpool phone case. It says it's the last one.
Harley Quinn and Catwoman.
But you know what? I don't have an iPhone, so I'm not gonna get it. 4th floor, I think, because where all the stuff I'm into. That. So, did you find anything you like?
Yeah, frame monster.
Huh?
Frame monster. Go right.
Ooh, that's cute.
She's very cute, and I like this one.
It's cute.
Yeah, just wait till you're ready.
Alright, so this is where all my stuff's at. So I actually have all of these. Every single one of them. All I'm missing is that Chun-Li. I don't have that. I didn't even know that one existed. They have a red one. Look at that. All right. So we just came back from. We just finished. What's the place? Cospa. And they got some Dragon Ball cards, but not only. Yeah, show them.
I got some Dragon Ball cards, man. Let me show you these. So I often go to Japan for business, and I'm very business oriented. So when
Look at this.
we saw these
Oh.
business attire Goku and his homie Vegeta, we just saw the whole set, and I was like, wow,
Everyone
this is really
in
cool.
business attire. Look, you got some 18.
Fuck boy.
Krillin, my boy
Who's that?
Krillin.
And even Frieza.
Oh my god, wow. That's dope. Like Frieza. Oh wait, focus. Frieza in business attire. That's actually really cool.
Girl.
That's super dope.
18.
18.
Yeah.
There you go. 18.
17 is still my girl.
Vegeta.
That's dope.
That's actually really cool. This is my favorite one because it's so out of character, but I like it. The Frieza.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That's dope. He means business.
That's dope.
That's super cool.
I love when they put them in suits.
What'd you buy?
You want to see?
That's gonna be a separate video.
I don't want to see it. Travis, did you buy anything?
Yeah, I just bought a whole bunch of patches for my uniform. We'll see how it goes.
Cool. Akihabara is done. We are now at Harajuku.
Harajuku, we don't want to go through the craziness in Takeshita Street, so we're going around towards the Motosando side.
There you go, smart man. And I don't know, this is where I spend all my money usually.
Yep.
So
He was talking about pulling out cash, but you don't want to do that. You never pull out.
you know. So yeah, now we're here. Are you planning to buy anything, or do you want to shop already?
I'm trying to play bad influence and see what Vampy buys.
Oh,
Not buying it.
liar. So yeah, I don't know where we're gonna be going. See exactly we're gonna be walking around. Seeing. Kind of want some dessert, though.
There's a lot of dessert here.
A
lot of dessert and a lot of Chinese food.
Oh geez, I'm about to.
Oh, you almost nutted yourself.
No, dang. I know, it's spidey sense. Just. Are you planning to buy anything?
I don't know. We'll see.
We shall see.
Whatever sleeve allows.
There you go. But first, yeah, dessert. So let's see what we eat. See what kind of sweets we get.
I want to eat. Oh, isn't there like a pretty famous cafe here?
Cafe?
What? Excuse me?
What happened?
I don't know about that one. He can have that. I'm about to have something else.
All right. I hope I don't spend too much here. All right.
Ready?